Hey everybody, Nick from DSI here to show you the new Nexus cover from WorkSport. Another cover from WorkSport, you ask? Yes, there is. One of the differences between like the AL4 WorkSport and the Nexus WorkSport. Well, let's go over it. The AL4 and the Nexus cover are virtually the same covers. They have a latch at each panel so that it does lock all the way down the side, but the last flip is where they differ. An AL4 is going to use prop rods on both sides of the truck to hold it in place. So when you put one prop rod in place, you walk around to the other side of the truck to put the other prop rod in place. The Nexus cover uses a new auto latch technology. Here's what that looks like. The cover easily and seamlessly catches onto these D-rings that are integrated into the bed rails. So there's no need to walk around to the other side of the truck. It still holds in place, meant to be driven on, it's stable, and then just as easy to release it from the auto latch is another pull strap. And when you pull that strap, the cover comes down just as easy. The reaction to the Nexus cover has been nothing shy of fantastic, with most consumers saying, how in the world has nobody else thought of that yet? Get yours today from DSI.